To talk about in weather, because our weather pattern is only giving us a pretty short window here of dry weather. This is out of Morro Bay a little bit earlier. You can still see some puddling there on the ground and the swell out in the ocean. It is going to be very large swell over the next couple of days. I think especially Wednesday through Saturday with some of these fast hitting systems from the Pacific. It's going to build dramatically. I would expect advisories, if not warnings, for some of that. More showers already up in the Bay Area, part of this next system, and you can see it spinning away here. For us, it's really more of a Wednesday system, not even a Tuesday system. The area of low pressure will creep to the north first before it slings the front through. Currently, it looks like this. It's 61 in Santa Maria and 58 in San Luis, 57 Paso, 60 in Lompoc, 58 degrees in Santa Barbara. And the winds currently out of the south. With that low just off the coast, it's drawing air up that direction. So here's how it moves for us. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. System still off the coast. All these radiating lines here that looks like a target, those are lines of equal pressure. In other words, this is a pretty windy system at the core, but not here for the Central Coast. Again, it tracks north and then slings the front through our area Wednesday morning through Wednesday afternoon. Then the front kind of stalls out across Santa Barbara County. Most of the system kind of falls apart as we go into later Wednesday. Again, that's important because of that remembrance down in Montecito. About 1/10 of an inch of rain possible down there, and it looks like most of that front falls apart or works through that area before the evening hours. It's going to be close, though. All of that low pressure out here returns with another system on the way for Friday. That system's going to push rain into the area as we get Friday into Saturday, then a little break, and then another system Sunday into early next week with yet another system off the coast. All of this is going to give us ample opportunity for new rain. I think the next system is essentially a quarter to half or maybe even 3/4 across San Luis Obispo County with less once you get down to that San Ynez Mountain and South Coast area. We start adding in the Friday, Saturday system. Now some of the coastline could be up to 2 more inches of new rain. Doesn't look like that's going to extend very far inland, but as we get into the middle of next week and you look at the totality of it, yeah, parts of the area are going to see more than 3 inches of rain between now and next Thursday. And it's kind of wintry up along the northern tier here, but actually much of the country is mild. The southeast here, it's 71 degrees right now in Houston. Hour by hour for Paso Robles tomorrow, starting the day off right around 50, warming up to 60, and you can see more hourly forecasts by downloading the KSBY weather app. Here's our forecast. Again, the overnight low is pretty mild, cloud cover, moisture, and patchy ground fog forming again, but the daytime highs recover nicely. Low to mid 60s for much of the area tomorrow. Again, tomorrow is the dry day. I don't think that rain gets here until we get into Wednesday morning. 66 Napomo, 63 Pismo, 61 Shandon, North Coast 62 Morro Bay, 60 Atascadero. So the extended forecast is active. And again, the system for this upcoming Friday into the weekend, that's going to be a windy system as well. So wind and rain plus big surf. So we've been talking about this pattern shift getting here. Clearly, it is. Scott, Karina back.